Your brain is 200,000 years old, trapped in a modern world. It evolved for survival in small tribes with immediate threats. Now, you're living in cities with infinite stimulation and delayed consequences. Here are 5 exercises to rewire your ancient brain for modern life. 1. Notice your threat response. Your amygdala activates at every notification. Email, threat, social media comment, threat, traffic, threat. But these aren't real threats. Your ancient brain is confusing stimulus with danger. For 5 minutes each morning, observe your anxiety without reacting. Notice when your body tenses. Notice what triggers fear. Don't try to stop it. Just observe. Your brain learns threat recognition through awareness. The more you notice false alarms, the slower your threat response becomes. Gradually, your amygdala stops overreacting. 2. Sit with discomfort intentionally. Your ancestors faced discomfort and moved immediately. Cold? Find fire. Hunger? Hunt? Boredom? Run or fight? Modern discomfort has no solution, so your brain tries to escape it. Scrolling, shopping, eating, anything to avoid feeling bad. For 10 minutes daily, sit with one uncomfortable emotion. Don't fix it. Don't escape it. Just sit. Your nervous system will slowly learn that discomfort isn't dangerous, that you can survive it. 3. Practice long-term thinking. Your brain defaults to immediate rewards. Dopamine now instead of success later. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing a future consequence of your actions, not imagining it vaguely, actually feeling it. Feel the pride of finishing the project. Feel the health of regular exercise. Feel the relationship you build through consistent effort. Your brain's time preference slowly shifts when you make future consequences feel present. 4. Rewire your social brain. You evolved to care intensely about status in groups of 150. Now you perform for thousands. For 1 hour daily, interact with people face to face without performance. Real conversation, real presence. Your brain gradually learns that status in a room matters more than status online. Your anxiety about judgment decreases. Your need for validation quiets. 5. Build psychological safety. Your ancestors were cast out from tribes and died. Rejection was lethal, so your brain still treats social rejection like physical danger. Deliberately put yourself in situations where rejection is low stakes. Share an unpopular opinion. Ask for what you want. Say no. Each time you survive social friction, your brain recalibrates. Rejection becomes bearable. Your nervous system gradually learns rejection doesn't kill you. The key is consistency. Your brain evolved over millions of years. Rewiring takes months, not days, but every single day you practice, you're fighting your ancient programming, and slowly, you're winning.